Ingredients used for these bad chilies: garlic, half a lime, ginger, salt to taste, red chili powder, masala peanuts. You can use regular peanuts as well. Coriander, handful of. A slice of bread. I dipped it in water so it will give us a thickness for the chutney. Now add all the masalas and mix it. Remember to add a little water so that it must not be dry. Alright? Give 3-4 pulses. Give it a good mix and pulse it twice again so that all the coriander leaves and everything get mixed properly. And our chutney is ready to serve. You can have this chutney with some pakoras, or you can add it for your sandwiches, bread and all. I hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you soon. This is Sabina Dias from Sabina's Kitchen. Bye.
Hi! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on